Hello. If you find this is very interesting reading. Let's see in today's reading what your person wants to confess to you at this point. These are some channeled messages. Let's see. Um, think about your person's name. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes. Visualize your person to connect with their exact energy. Let's see what messages they want to confess to you at this point. Okay. If you want to book your personal reading and remedies with me, you can contact me through my email ID for more details. You can check the description box and you can join for third party removing ritual 7 days workshop. So if you are interested, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. Contact me. Today is the last day of booking. Let's see. Visualize your person, take their name. Let's see what messages they want to confess to you. Okay. I kept my feelings hidden because I am afraid of being judged. So basically, maybe this person is very shy, very introvert, and they, couldn't show you their real feelings. They always try to hide their emotion because I'm getting this person is afraid of being judged. There could be some kind of, inner child issues of this person's or any kind of past traumas. That's why this person feel, they had some kind of fear of being judged. Okay, so definitely there's a inner child issues I'm getting in your person's life. I don't want to give up on you. I know I will never stop trying to come back to you. So I'm getting some kind of relationship problem, some kind of I'm getting some kind of situation, some kind of third party involvement, family problem because in deep down this person want to come back to you. Okay, they try their level best to come back to you, but I'm getting others manipulations, third party manipulations, interference create blockages in this union. Okay, I dream about a beautiful marriage with you. Okay, so basically this person is dreaming about you, a beautiful marriage. They try to manifest, okay, knowingly or unknowingly. The phone you are holding now will ring with love messages. Okay, so very soon this person can contact you after you watching this. There's a very good chance like the phone you are holding currently will ring with love messages or text or calls from this person. So yes, claim this. I am secretly praying for you and this relationship. This person literally praying for this relationship. Okay, because they don't want to lose you. You are the source of happiness in my dull life. Till now I care for you. You are always in my mind because this person deep down this person really love you, care for you, but because of some kind of external manipulations, third party manipulations, could be a family problem is the reason why this person don't choose you or they maintain a distance with you. I love the way you are. I want to make you the happiest. Yes, I feel happy and satisfied with you. I take decision to be with you, my love. So basically, this person already made up their mind. They want to be with you forever and ever. I want you come to me and give me a tight hug, miss you. So basically, whenever you are watching this, this person want to hug you tightly because they really missing you terribly. Okay, let's see their emotional feelings, what messages they want to confess to you. Nine of Pentacles. There could be some kind of financial issues is a reason that create blockages in, they want to give you commitment, but financially this person is not ready to take your responsibility or take the responsibility like marriage. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow. Eight of Wands. Infatuation and obsessed love. This person feel very obsessed kind of feelings towards you. Okay, they always fantasize about you, dreaming about you, daydreaming about you. They want to be with you. They want to share their whole life with you. Okay, this person feel literally very obsessed about you. I'm getting here. Okay, Queen of Wands, wholehearted and fearless. So if already the card is here, this person hide their emotion because of some kind of fear of being judged. But yes, this person is already work on themselves, and at this point they had no fear. Okay, so they are ready for a fearless love. So you can expect some kind of action from this person very soon. Okay, Yes, Page of Cups, following hard and desiring love. So basically, this person don't want to listen to any others, anyone else, any third party, any manipulations, because they already made up their mind, and this person is ready to listen to their intuition, their inner voice, their heart. They want to follow their heart. They want to follow their heart's desire, and you are their first choice. They want to choose you. So basically, this person is ready mentally, emotionally, financially. This person is ready to take responsibility of you, to take responsibility of this connection. And this person is already, made up their mind, and they are ready to take a stand. So you can expect some kind of um, action clarity from this person very soon. I'm getting Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio sign is very, very significant here. And 8, 9. So there is definitely progress here. 8, 9, 17, 16, 26, 17 could be significant dates or number for you. Okay, claim this reading.